What's up guys, finally the wait is over and here we have POCO F2. Chinese phone maker POCO launched the POCO F1 aka POCO Phone F1 outside India back in August 2018, and after a long time, that is more than a year, the company is set to make a comeback on February 4 with its second smartphone called POCO X2. The POCO X2, likely to be based on the Redmi K30 model, will be sold through Flipkart in India, and e-commerce giant has already revealed that X2 will boost a 120Hz reality flow display. Now Flipkart has also confirmed that the X2 will support 27W fast charging. Rest of the specifications are yet to be officially confirmed, but if an image received by an Indian publication is to be believed, we will see the POCO X2 to pack a 6.67-inch screen and a quad camera setup on the back with a 64MP Sony IMX686 main camera sensor. The image also reveals that the design of the POCO X2, which is very similar to the Redmi K30. It also reveals the price of the POCO X2, which is approximately $19,265 in the international market for the 6GB, 64GB model. There are likely to be more memory options, but these aren't confirmed yet. POCO X2 is a completely rebranded version of the Redmi K30, but it's still the best to wait for the official confirmation before considering anything final. These are all the things we know so far about the POCO X2. If you like the video, please hit the like button. What do you feel about the POCO X2? Please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.